Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is A7619. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Equinox is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. Inside, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.